Hi, this is Brett, and I just got my Headlight Restore in the mail, and I'm going to go ahead and try it out. Now you can look at my my headlights, and you can see that my headlights are definitely really foggy. So what it says to open up one of these yellow ones first and unfold it. I'll pick that up later. I'm not trying to go ahead and litter here, but it said unfold it and wipe this down. Oh wow, that already has made a big difference. Just by that little bit. That's pretty impressive. And then it says to dry this. So I'm going to use a paper towel to dry it. Wow, it still kind of looks foggy. That's kind of crazy. It looked better when it was wet, but we'll check it out. So now we're going to go ahead and unwrap the second one, and it says unfold it. Get it all the way. Make sure it's all the way done. Then I'm going to unfold this and make sure that it's dry. Okay, it says make sure you dry it beforehand. You don't want to put both of them on at the same time. So this is dry. Now it says go back to the second one, or the first one. And we're going to go and take this one right here. And this, I think, is where the magic happens. It says don't unfold it. Keep it straight. Ooh, this smells different. And it says paintbrush. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's crazy how good that works. Oh my God, it took everything off. That's crazy. Okay, let's do the second one. Wow, look how clear those come out. That is just insane. So this is Brett. Apparently it works. It works really well. I'm really impressed with how well this stuff works. You saw how foggy it was, and now I can actually see my lights. That is just so good. Okay. Headlight Restore. Here's the box. You see it? You should probably pick some up.
Impressive, right? Go to headlightrestore.us and get your car headlights clean and beautiful again. Check out more of our videos to see our wipes in action.
Want to buy in bulk? Become our distributor and enjoy our low wholesale prices on the large orders. Buy more, save more.